Hello guys, welcome. This is Erica from Scenico. We are located in China, and here we can show you our new product. It's a LED display, but it's rollable. You can see it's very thin, and we can put it onto the floor directly and stand on the screen. And it is also front service. You can see this customer, he is do the maintenance. It is very quick to remove one module. And for this screen, we can also do outdoor. It's waterproof. There's a tank. You can see the fish will go into the water. It's crazy, right? And our screen can do another applications. It's a home use rolling TV. If you want to see a football game in your home, you can use this kind of big screen. And you can see here, floor one, all the screen here are the same screen but with different applications. This one is automatically rolls up and down. Our screen is super slim, super lightweight, and with many applications. If you want to contact us, please welcome to contact our website. Our website is www.scenico.com.